Dzień dobry.
Dzień dobry.
Good afternoon, everybody. Just another day in
Holland. Today in Toruń. Actually, I wanted to say Poznań. Toruń. We are on the bridge on the middle of the Wisła River. As you can see, it's pretty big river actually. And
huge.
We are on the very cool bridge. As you can see, also like this one. This one, the bridge is suitable for the tanks and everything. So if the war coming, they has to demolish it. But hopefully, will never happen. But it is. So that's it. It's nice city in general, very historical. I think it's a little bit more interesting to visit than Bydgoszcz itself. However, Bydgoszcz is also beautiful. Let's see what we're gonna have a first impression, because I was here already 2 times making videos, but first time for you, Sayang, right?
Right.
First impression.
And the thing is that what I see here when it is summer, it's busier, right, honey?
Busier.
Everywhere you go, it's so busy. And behind me there is a boat. Can we take the boat across the Wisła
Can we
River?
go next time for the boat? I'm already like.
Okay, Damian already got a seasick, not seasick, but a
It's
river
hot
sick.
and river sick.
Okay, let's explore the city. Let's have a pierniki.
Coffee and pierniki.
Let's go. Basically, this one is the Wisła River. Wisła River, right, Kohani? And behind that is the Torun center, right? Torun Centrum, Old Town. Okay, as you see, like so many people are walking there, and they also have a boat cruise. Unfortunately, Damian, I feel like maybe next time we take a boat cruise. So yeah, let's go there and walk and look at the blue sky. And that's, I think it looks like the sand here in the middle, like the island. So yeah, it's very huge river and deep, I think. Let's go, Kohani. Hodge. Oh, fancy, Kohani. They have a lift even going down.
Overlooking the river. Nice. Nice. Last time was closed during the winter, but during summer seems like it's all open and direct access to the Wisła River. You can enjoy.
Nice place. Wow. It's actually the boat tour for 40 minutes, tak, Kohani? Yes. And that's also another boat. And we will go to the city over there. It's so hot. So this one is the map. I'll show you. This is actually the city. I mean the map of the Centrum.
The gate to the Torun.
Okay. And that's
the bomb.
really?
Yeah, like an old bomb. What doesn't explode.
Oh. Okay.
They are tour group of people.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is actually the gate, and look at this one, very nice. And then we will go there. Here is the Torun Old Town, and here the cobblestone as well, right, Kohani?
Yeah, it's more like a Poznań or something rather than Bydgoszcz.
Tak,
It's
tak.
actually more bigger and more old, like feel like.
Tak. And yeah, smell of the gingerbread. So many restaurants actually.
This one is the place where I always go for gingerbread. This one over here.
Okay.
So you can go now.
Okay. Oh my god. And so many restaurants actually. Put the sitting outside like this. Nice. This one. Ooh. Fancy, huh? Look at the building. Oh, so here. Look, 110 lat, 110 years. Pierniki. Wanna have a pierniki? Oh. Ooh, very nice. So many. Oh, very nice. Nice. This one is the coffee shop. And this one is the pierniki. Oh, look at this. And they have a very nice. So this one is actually the pierniki, which is gingerbread, and this one is already like 100 years shop. Oh, how does it? Nice. Very nice. This is Damian's favorite gingerbread shop of Piernici. Galleria Piernica. With a hot cappuccino, water, and the view of the restaurant like this.
Place is actually beautiful but small and busy. Sayang, first try of the Piernici, originally from Torun. I told you it's nice. So good, isn't it?
This is the best one. Different than
Better than from Biedronka, yeah?
cause I couldn't find this one in Poznan, but
No,
this one is just like amazing.
It's really nice. It's soft and this is the most popular. It's not the cheapest Piernici, but it's the best.
Every single bite, you feel like ginger, very strong but nice.
How is inside? Sayang. Better than nasi? Better than rice? Show inside. Oh, nice. With the jam, eh?
So good.
Very good. Enjoy, sayang.
Oh, look at this. This one is the oleh-oleh from the Torun. It's so cute. Nice. That's the Galleria Piernica. This is a Barzo Polecam. So good.
I think
And-
I should buy my papa postcard from Torun.
Where is it? Let's go. Look, this one is the walking street Basilgiri. Oh, this is also hotel and culinary. Wow, let's go. Oh, so many Galleria Piernica. This one also Galleria Piernica, but that one was the best one, I guess. Look at these 3 cars. I think this one is the tourist cars. So fancy. And here we are. Already the descended market square. No, Kohani? Oh. Wow.
This is already the market square, but look how busy actually it is.
Look.
we can go to the top.
You want to go on the top?
Let's see.
Look. The restaurant. Wow. 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 Look at the building. Look at this building. Oh, from 1891. Nice.
Very old.
Look at this one. Oh, look at this behind you. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, look at this one. And here is the church. And here we are, show you around. Wow. Wow. And this one a group of tourists. Nice. I think this one is the town hall. Look, some people are actually on the top.
City Hall.
City hall, yes. And oh, so many souvenir shop here. Nice. And look at how many people here. Wow. Let's go. That's amazing. Oh, you see, there are so many things about gingerbread because Torun is famous for the Piernici or gingerbread. Nice. Very nice. And look at this. Wow.
And
Wow.
this is the monument of the Nicholas Copernicus, but you have to go around.
Okay, let's go. But look at the number of the people here.
Yeah, this is like already very tourist-oriented city actually in Poland, especially during the summertime.
Wow. Look at this. Nice. Very nice. Oh, what statue is this?
Donkey.
Donkey. Ah, look at the number of tourists. Wow and wow. Wow. Nice. Look at this. It's really lots of people. So
It's like a very tourist-oriented city actually. but it's nice.
It's very nice, and it is a very highly recommended. You know, whenever you come to Poland, I got speechless. It's so many people. It's so busy. I never imagined that this Torun is packed with people like this. Wow. So this one is the town hall, and that's the donkey. Wow. Wow. And wow. Let's go. Look at this. There are so many souvenirs. Wow.
Look at this cute little gingerbread.
Tak. Nice. Very nice. Look at that building.
We are going to find the Nicholas Copernicus house.
Who is Nicholas Copernicus?
Very important person.
Okay. And here in front of me is the church. So we will go to the Nicholas Copernicus house. Wow. So actually this is the home of Nikolai Copernicus. You see Dom Nikolaia Copernica. And here is so many people basically. So Nicholas Copernicus is a very famous astronomist who said that the sun is the center of the solar system, something like that. So very important person.
It's actually the gingerbread house where we was. So it's next to each other actually.
Right. Basically that's the Nicholas Copernicus statue. Now we'll go straight. Wow, the amount of the people here is so packed. Wow. Nice. I'm just recording tourists here with a group of tourists. Restaurant. Wow. Look at this. Nice. Wow. I didn't believe that I'm here. I mean, I couldn't imagine myself that I'm here. Wow. This building is the town hall. And this one is the flower shop. Oh my god. Honey.
Yes, I am. You happy you're here?
Talk. And look at this. Wow. Wow. And wow. Woohoo. So we will go straight there, ya, Kohani?
Actually, if we go straight there, there is the downtown of Torun.
Oh, nice. Look at this small doggo. You want ice cream?
You want ice cream, sayang?
I don't know. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at this one. I think this one is the center, Kohani?
Downtown.
Downtown.
This is the opera. At the
Oh,
front. I
uh-huh.
think so.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. The tram.
Uh-huh.
You see, every city have a different tram color. In Torun, they have a blue, yellow.
That I can see that. Right. And look at this one. Wow. Wow. And wow. Oh, look at this red brick building. Hey, look at that statue. Nice, isn't it? And that one. Nice.
I don't know if you realize, but there is the hidden ATM actually machine.
Yes, I know. Nice. Oh, so I think this one is a nice building, new city hall. And that's in the front is the park. And that's the tram, basically. Nice. And that's the theater building. Nice. Kohani, you already overheated, huh?
I feel like I'm back in Asia again.
Oh, nice. And look at this, the house like this one. This is like the mixed architecture between the old one and a brand new one.
Correct.
And look at the cobblestone here. Kohani, how it works is actually when it is rain, do you think that it's gonna be flood here?
That's the thing. On this side is getting like all the water because the road is that profiled as the water is coming like from one side on the middle, and there is like a little river and going somewhere to the lower point. This road is like few hundred years old, so they already knew how to build this.
Also, they have a like sewage system there.
Yeah. A few hundred years ago they knew how to make it, but in Asia they till now they don't know how to make it.
It's brilliant, very brilliant. Look at this building and look at this guy. Okay, so this is actually the explanation of the Dr. Elżbieta Sawacka. Yes, I'll zoom it a little bit. Okay, so you can read it. This is a very historical place, and behind me also so many historical place. Oh, look at this one. Interesting. Nice restaurant.
This is like a Wild East restaurant,
Ah,
like a Mayan style.
nice. Ah, look at this building on the top. And down is the restaurant. That one. And that one. Look at this statue there. Nice. And down there is a restaurant. Wow, so busy. Kohanye, look. Masas Bataiski, Masas Baliski, Balinese Masas and Thai Masas. You see, everywhere you go, there must be Balinese. Huh? Look at this fancy car, no? Hey, hey. Right, so I'll show you. This is how the restaurant situation and Balinese massage and Thai massage.
Not paid endorsement.
Not paid endorsement, but this is how I show you. Like everywhere is the place for the Asian, especially for Balinese. So what I can say that generally speaking, that there are so many Balinese living in Poland. More than what I expected, because you know most people say that you move to Poland, what you can do, but here look, every cities there must be Balinese massage.
Even in my city, Wawa, there is TV4 hotel have a Balinese in a small town.
And I'm gonna open one.
One
That's
day
my
we're
business.
gonna open. Actually, we almost open.
Almost open, just one more paper that I need to wait for, and then I will open soon. So let's see.
Let's see. And that's how does it look like. Now I'm taking the camera. I'm gonna film a little bit my old style. Nice. Whew. Actually, I feel a little bit tired. I've been a while when I was vlogging like this one. A while. Yes, I am.
Look at that. That's the small statue on the wall.
A lot of small decorations here, small details in Torun. That's actually, you can really stroll around and find so many interesting things like this one. Perhaps little statues in the windows. So cool. Everywhere cobblestone roads, pubs, and plenty restaurants everywhere.
So we keep walking and walking. I don't know that this Torun is such a big tourist spot, what I can say. And I think this city especially, right, in Torun, is more interesting than in Bydgoszcz. You see? Wow. Because Mama Itata never been to Torun, we will buy them postcard. But look at this. Wow. Oh, look at this. This is Torun in
1684. In 1684, the Torun were looking like this one. Can you imagine that? We already had everything. And, well, I don't want to be so sarcastic though. Everybody who is sarcastic to me as I'm coming from Poland and, you know, blah, blah, blah. What you guys had in 1684? Exactly, you have my answer for you. And also Nicolaus Copernicus was a very legendary person, born in 14 something.
so Polish,
Poland
intelligent, right?
had a history at least
Tak.
to compare to some of your countries.
Okay. Okay, let's go, Kohani. I agree. This building. Wow. And this one from 1852. Interesting. And this is the history. This is the Rinek actually, and here if you keep walking, you will go to the Vistula River. Wow. And I think that the small boat over there is just like the Viking boat. Nice. Let's go. Look at these people having a party in the middle of the river. If you can hear the music, you see? This is how is actually the summer vibe. And there over there, you see this look like the Viking boat, right, Kohani? Nice.
And on the other side, actually, people having like a picnic or something.
Tak, you see here. Oh, look at this building and people having a picnic, enjoying the sunshine. That's another boat. Amazing. And that's baby Kohanya. Look, there is a bar or restaurant actually, like floating bar or floating restaurant.
Like on the Praia River in Bangkok.
Tak.
And this is the ice cream shop down there.
Mm-hmm.
And somebody have also pretty nice house on the other side of the river.
Yes. So nice. Only you, sayang. So Damian's really craving for the ice cream, Swiderki ice cream, something like this. And I'll show you again. Looks so nice. And this is actually the view of the city hall. Look at this building. Wow. And this is the view, the restaurant, the church. Nice. And the city hall on the top over there. Wow, super cool. Kohanye, wow, that's the huge ice cream.
Huge ice cream for 10 zloty aja.
Nice. How does it taste?
Good.
Looks so good.
Very nice.
Hey, look at this one. Oh, you step on it, don't make a. Oh, this one is gingerbread. Nice. So cute, like Beverly Hills. Oh, look at this plat. Interesting. Oh, nice. And on the left, on the right side. Wow, look at this.
Nice.
That's the Wiswa River. And look at the bridge construction. Nice. It's beautiful road trip actually on the left, on the right side. Wow. Look at this, Kohani. What is this?
I don't know.
Wow.
Some religious monument.
This arrive in the biggest, I think this one is the biggest church. But can you hear the sound? Like this. Oh, nice. Let's go inside. Oh,
There are the bells.
nice. I see that.
Actually nice.
Let's go inside.
This
Hodge.
is modern church.
Wow.
But we are in Toron, so it's, if you know, you know.
Wow. Look at this. Wow. So I'll show you the church today. So this is for Moya Mama Itata. They're going to the church every Sunday. Let's see. This one is the church in Toron. Oh, so fancy, huh? And even they have a fountain here. Nice. Oh, look at the bell. It's ringing by itself. Oh, that's also, and the fountain in the middle. Wow. Let's go inside. So fancy.
I rozwijać snowy chrześcijańskiego życia. Oczywiście w tej materii niezwykle ważną osobą jest święty kapłan. Siostra Faustyna była przekonana, że to Chrystus przez kapłana był właściwy.
Behind me is the Vistula River, the biggest river in Poland. That's the fountain. And here is the church. Wow. So big church. Nice. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Oh, look at this one. This is so fancy. And the king and the queen, I think. Right? Wow. There, fountain. And look at this one. Wow. And the Pope picture over there. Look, there is a gold on the top, Kanye. Real gold? Wow. This is very fancy.
It's Toruń. If you know, you know. If you're from Poland, you know.
Okay, let's go to the Vistula River.
It's also the history, like this one behind me. There's like saying the history how the Poland became the Christian country actually through the first kings of Poland. It's the history over 1,000 years old, anyways. But nice place, I'm gonna tell you. This is modern church, not like everybody from the, from the red brick church. This is the new church, and they make it nice actually, have to say.
And inside, so fancy. And even inside there is lift, honey, going
Fancy.
up. Very fancy. I recommend you to come here to see the fancy church in Poland.
Winnie nowadays is the fan of the churches in Europe, the same like foreigners who visiting the temples in Thailand or on Bali, Indonesia, the mosques, So now Winnie likes to visiting the churches in Poland, Germany, everywhere. I wanna go to the church. Okay.
Let's go. Wow, it's very interesting day today. It's summer vibe in Poland. It's amazing, what I can say.
I was here last time in the winter. It's also nice before Christmas, actually. But yeah, summer obviously it's more busier and more interesting. But the next time probably gonna come for winter again. Yeah.
Yes, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching. It's very hot and Damian already melted and he needs to have another beer or ice cream. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.